Hey everyone, welcome to the next video. We're heading to the beach to spend 4 days camping and fishing. It should be amazing. We're heading to a mate's house to catch up with him and his boy as well. And yeah, it's just going to be a good time. Say hi, Cohen.
Hi.
Alright, let's go. Hey guys!
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good? Ready to go camping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Found out why the trailer's not working. That'll do it. Oh well. We are here.
Alright. Praise the Lord. Took us an hour.
Right, we have arrived and the sea's pretty rough as you would have seen, but we'll give it a go tomorrow, maybe fishing. It's be pretty hard, it's pretty murky, pretty dirty, but we'll set up the tent, everything. Pretty bit of a Taj Mahal really. I'll give you a bit of a tour. The lounge slash dining area, all the bits. I'll sleep in there, I'll sleep over there. This is, when I sit down, this is what we wake up to in the morning. Coffee time. It's cracking, my man.
What?
Are you all wet?
Not all over.
Oh, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Cool.
Dude is soaking because he took a bucket of water on himself.
Oh, we've had a great afternoon just relaxing in the tent and just chilling out. We haven't started fishing yet. It's a bit average in terms of the waves and the swell and things. It's pretty much like a surf beach. It's pretty massive, so don't hold much hope for catching much, but anyway, getting the barbecue sorted out now, about to pull it out and clean it up, and then we're gonna cook up some smash burgers and yeah, just chill out this evening. We might throw the rod out this evening, or the drone after dinner. The wind's not too bad, but the swell is huge. But you don't know till you try, so.
There's a McDonald's.
My man, good boy. You go, mate. Skirt on that thing. Cool. Very good.
Call them smash burgers instead of hamburgers. What about pork burgers?
Who?
Pork burgers.
Egg burgers. Beef burgers.
Right, we've just had dinner and the clouds come over a bit. It's got a little bit cloudy, but that's alright. I don't even know what time it is. You kind of lose track when you're on holiday camping. It is only about 5:30. I think Caleb might throw the rod out, give it a go when the kids are in bed, but who knows. Yeah, so we're all cleaned up, done all our dishes, and just going to hang out here and put the kids to bed a bit later. Good first day.
Oh, I didn't do that. No! I'm bad at this.
We're all hunkered down for the night. I've had dinner, a bit of post-dinner games as well, and showers, and everyone's in bed now. It's only about 8 o'clock, so probably just read a book and watch a few videos. But yeah, we'll hunker down for the night, and we'll see you in the morning. Morning, bud.
Making coffee.
Oh, he's making me coffee. Good boy. It's a bit chilly this morning too, so I've turned the heater on. He's a good boy. Day 2. It's a bit overcast, I think, but let's just get this coffee sorted. How'd you sleep, bud? Did you have a bad sleep?
You get to sleep for like hours.
Because of the noisy waves. Have a look outside. Oh, we've got a bit of water in here. fresh, alright. Had a little bit of rain last night as well. Quite a bit of rain last night actually, you would have heard it in the footage. And yeah, the waves, the noise of the waves were just crazy. Just talk about a constant crashing and quite loud noise too. Yes, I'll get my coffee. Anyway, it's a little bit fresh, so we've got the heater on. We're gonna stay in here a little, in the tent a little bit, just to warm up and have some brekkie and yeah, just enjoy the morning. Somebody's out there already, maybe the Contiki. We might have to go in for a bit of a explore. Oh, he might have his drone out actually. I don't know whether you can see it there. And the footage is down there. Oh yeah, it's got his drone. That is a Aero Contiki by the look. Bringing in his bait. There's a big current going to the left. His bait's coming in there, and he's all the way down there. Nothing. Wave sneaking up on you. Morning. Bit of a current, hey?
Yes,
Abandoning ship. Oh.
Yeah, big current.
Yeah. Oh well. You probably won't be able to see any bites either with all those waves, I'm guessing.
Oh, you can see the bite, but it's just taking down. 18 ounces on the front of it.
You're kidding? 18 ounces, far out, okay.
And another weight in the middle and another weight right in. Still went. Yeah.
Still went, wow. Oh, good luck.
Same to you if you get a go.
Yeah, well I've only got the Condor, the AEE Condor. So that can only do about sort of 15 knots tops, but I think tonight or later on this afternoon it's meant to calm down a bit, and tomorrow, so we'll just see.
I used to have the Condor.
Oh yeah, yeah.
My son's got the Condor.
Oh okay, yeah. Pretty good entry level sort of drone. Yeah, they've caught me a lot of fish, that's for sure.
Yep.
That is it. All right. Well, we'll probably see you around the next couple of days anyway. Don't know whether you heard the conversation with the guy with the drone. There's a lot of current. Oh, there goes the train as well. There's a lot of current out there, so to give you an idea, I have 6 ounces of weight on the end of my rod to hold the line in place. He had 18 ounces of lead at the far end of the line. He had some more lead in the middle and some more lead at the back, and it still pushed the line all the way around. So we're going to hold off, put the drone out. It's just a waste of time. He's put out a couple of sets and he's called it quits just because of so much current. So we might wait till this afternoon or tomorrow, and then we'll give it another go. So we'll just have I think we might get the ping pong table out actually, have a bit of a game. second set for another rod by the looks. As you can see, those people had their drone out, a couple of rods out, and the current just pulled it all the way along the beach right past us, so we might have to wait a day or so before we put ours out. That's all good. Gearing up, eh?
We'll see what happens.
Yep. Either way, we'll have it on camera. If you get bites, then I might throw mine out.
Right.
Pulling hard? Oh yeah.
Chuck the 6 ounce on. So.
that should hold. Good. It's just the waves. Woo. Yeah, it's washed up on the shore already. Current is insane. Yeah, it's like it's just washed up, barely even in the water. That's how bad it is. I've just realised I can't do any surf casting because I've bought only 2/3 of my fishing rod. So I've bought the top half and the bottom half, but I forgot to bring the middle section. And there we go. Oh well. I knew there was something I forgot. Are you guys trying to do some surfing?
Because we pushed a little more. We pushed it.
Oh, did you?
This is I put just a little well.
Oh, for real? Oh dear!
That was
You got soaked! I knew that was going to happen. How'd the surfboard go? Alright.
Look.
Yeah. Caleb didn't have much luck fishing, so we're just having a hot drink there and just relax a bit. So wait for the sea to calm down, I think.
That's good.
Sausage, Judah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jed, sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Smashed patty sandwich. Should be good. made a debris shelter. No, I'm not going to stay in there overnight. But yeah, pretty good. Spent a bit more time and put some the debris stuff on there, over there. That'll make it a bit more waterproof, but overall pretty good. Alright, there hasn't been much to update. I was just saying we haven't really been filming much this afternoon. It's 5:15 now on day 2, but yeah, we've literally just been sitting around and playing with the kids because the fishing's just been average, all the weather and the sea and stuff, so that's alright. We might have some dinner, we might go for a fish tonight, but it's starting to get cold now. Yeah. Got our next door neighbour here, you can see in the background. He's just sent his drone out, so it'll be interesting to see what he catches. Got another mate coming tonight. I think he's on his way over for a night fish, so it'll be good. And it looks like there's as the wind picks up, it's meant to come down a little bit tonight, the wind, and there's a good bit of a channel in here. I'll show you, can't really see, but the bit there without the whitewash, the channel part, and so theoretically if we cast into that, then there should be some fish in there. Fingers crossed. But we've got venison tonight, and we're going to have venison wraps. We're going to have fish wraps, fish tacos, but haven't caught fish, so we'll go venison wraps, and yeah, should be nice.
Jerry, come on.
You going?
I'm here too.
Right. Oh, thank you all for this food. Oh man. Right, we'll do this.
How are you gonna do it?
Just like that.
He's a pro at doing it. Oh, I got the really yummy fish mayo, but
You good, Poe?
Good job.
Right, next update, probably the last one for the night. The ocean is still very rough and the wind still is very strong, so we're probably not going to fish tonight, even though we're hoping to, but I'll probably leave it for tonight, just have an early night and start early in the morning. I'm not sure if I'm going to drone fish in the morning or just rod and reel fish, but we'll just play it by ear, I think. Had a shower, we're all cleaned up, done all the dishes, and yeah, we might just chill out and have an early night, I think. So yeah, if anything else interesting happens, I will be sure to hit record, but otherwise we'll see you in the morning. Sure. Morning everyone, we are here day 3 and finally got our line out, as you would have seen me setting up and things, and it's not too windy, it's actually pretty good. There's still a little bit of a channel in the beach, still not perfect conditions, but we'll still give it a go. And Josh has shown up too. Caleb's still asleep, I think, so there's half of us here. And yeah, just having something to eat and something to coffee, and just wait for the action to start, really. So yeah, pretty stoked to be fishing. There's Cohen having breakfast. Neutral grey. So we've been at it for a couple of hours now and no bites. Even the guys with the drones further down the beach haven't been catching anything. So that's alright though. It's good fun just hanging out with mates and the kids and stuff. Yeah. That's a, if it's the old boys, that's like an $8,000 drone. The drone just fell out the sky. Woo. There it is. Is that it? Gone?
Bro, yeah, it sounded like the propeller got caught in the line and then it just like, and then it fell down.
That is a bad day's fishing.
That's like an $8,000 drone too. Those are those Aero Kentuckys. So I don't know whether you caught that, but there's a drone that fell out the sky, and we're just getting our pants and pants rolled up and gumboots off and stuff, in case we need to run in and grab it for the old boy. So just wait to see if it washes up down the beach. Right, yeah, it's about 9:30 this Saturday morning, and just nothing caught. Even the guys out on the drones catching nothing, and yeah, so it's pretty quiet. I've got the rest of my family coming over soon, my wife and a couple of kids, so we'll hang out with them and spend the day with them on the playground and stuff, I guess, and just relax a bit. We might have a go with the drone later this afternoon if the weather plays ball, but as I say, nothing's been caught. One guy's lost a drone, we lost a frisbee here as well, so it's not the best morning so far. That's okay. Yeah, found a wallet this morning too when I went to the toilet, so I'll have to go hand that in. Yeah, but pretty quiet. Hello! Hi! Hey!
Yeah! Yeah!
Just had a bit of a walk around and a bit of a play with the kids, and come back for a lunch. The guys next to us have caught a trevally on their drone, so we might send ours out after lunch and see how we get on. Yeah, nice to have the family here. Right, Joe? Look, smile! Well, tonight we have Sadie staying with us. Say hi, Sadie.
Hi.
Hey. And it's coffee time, and chocolate biscuit, and memory game. So today has been a total bust, fishing wise. Just because the weather is just not ideal. That's right. Hanging out, having some family time. The rest of the family's just gone home. Cullen's gone home with his mum and his sister, and yeah, just hanging out. And a little bit later we'll cook dinner and settle down for the night. It's meant to be quite calm tomorrow, wind-wise. So if we can get packed up in time, we've got to get out of here by 10 o'clock. So if we can get packed up in time, we're gonna just head down the road a little bit, maybe send the drone out a couple of times. See if there's any fish around. There's been plenty of sets been sent out today, but we've only seen 2 trevally and a carwai caught. Multiple sets, so there's not a lot around by the looks. No, we've just been for a big walk down the beach for a couple of hours and just relaxing this afternoon. The wind seems to have calmed down, so our next door neighbour camping here has just put his drone out. Here comes another train, if you heard that horn. So we'll cook some dinner, and it was going to be curried fish, or fish curry. It's just going to be sausage curry now because we haven't got any fish. That's okay. Let's get that underway. We might even go for a fish tonight before dark if the wind plays ball. So let's get some dinner started. It's going to take longer to cook than the sausages and stuff. Hey.
Not if it's boiling though. 15. Just leave that.
Is it going?
Yep.
So we got the Otter Outdoors kitchen, and collabing with Alice Outdoors over here, and we're just cleaning out the pantry container with all the bits. We found some onion, some potatoes, those things there, sausages. We've got a few spuds over there. Pam's tikka masala, simmer sauce, and coconut cream. Little side kits over here. What are you up to? Hey? What are you doing? There you go. Oh, we're balling here. Hope you're about to fall over on this side.
Chuck that in and
Yeah. We'll need it.
you alright, Jenna?
Yeah, that'll do.
Because that'll take a bit just to simmer down.
Yeah.
Hungry, Jetta? Rice.
You like rice, eh?
It's just you're not used to seeing it made in a pot.
What? How do you make it? Microwave.
Rice cooker.
Oh, this guy.
None of this make
Well,
it in
you-
a pot.
You are absolutely roughing it tonight, man.
I don't know if I can handle it.
Back in the blooming frontier days where you got to cook stuff in a pot.
Straining in nature.
Right, here we go. Look at that. Sausage, potato curry on the beach. How's that look? Good?
Good.
All right. Here we go. Dinner with a view.
Yeah, I really thought that space should not have disappeared.
Mmm.
And been like bright blue, it would have.
Yeah. Right, we've had dinner. The wind has finally calmed down enough. We're going to send out a set or two with the drone, and fingers crossed, fingers crossed. First time sending out the drone, and it's our last night, so let's just hope that we can get something. Right, here we go. There you have it, folks, the first one. And it's drifting a little bit to the left, but it's not too bad. See, that's straight out that way, and it's just come round a bit. But there's a lot of current. Everyone else is using about 16 or 18 ounces of weight, and we're using 6. So, yeah, but everyone else has got electric reels. We've just got a manual egg beater, so we'll see what happens. And we're going to chop up some bait ready for the next set, and I'll come in if the rod starts bouncing. What's that? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Push that. That's one. Yeah. Yes. So we do it. There we go. Set number 2, and probably the last one for the night. Right, wait for 20 minutes and we'll wind it in again. Right, we've been out 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something. Don't know if there's any out there, but it's dark, so we're going to wind it in. Kids need to get to bed. Oh, yeah.
Kids want to come down and have a marshmallow on the fire.
Oh yeah,
Bro, it's going. Sweet as.
Yeah, all right. Well,
What do you got, bro?
we don't know if we got anything. Woohoo! See what happens. Not a lot of weight on there. Not like before.
Judah,
Well, there's no fish that time. That's all right though. We got one. It's better than nothing. So yeah, we're gonna pack up now, and I'll come back to you before bed. Get in your hair. Hopefully you can see me alright and it's not too dark. It's us for the night. We're going to turn in. Kids are all cleaned up in bed. We've had a feed of marshmallows, toasted marshmallows, which was really good. And we've got one fish off 2 sets, which yeah, that's okay. That's okay. We'll try again tomorrow. Try and get a few more tomorrow. The weather's meant to be primo tomorrow, of course. That's the day that we're leaving. But yeah, we'll have a good night's sleep, pack it up early, and try and get out of here. And we might just go down the beach where there's a pull-off area for just parking and stuff. So we'll do that. Anyway, we will catch you in the morning. See you. Morning everyone, day 4 and packing up day today. But first we're going to have some coffee, pancakes for breakfast for the kids, and once we're packed up we might go for a drone fish down the beach a little bit. Sadie wants to say good morning.
Good morning. I'll just look on there too. The climb is mountain. You know that.
You can eat it with your fingers if you want.
Yeah. But did you get sticky fingers? Whoa! Wow! Wow! It's a whole big pancake.
Yep. Rightio, gonna attempt to do the old one flip wonder. I'm gonna do it over here because I don't want it to fall all over the gas thing. Okay, ready? It's not very. It's not very. Woo! Oh, I did a complete 360. Okay. Hang on.
You can do this back.
Hey, look at that. Perfect. Right, we're just about finished packing down, just got everything out. Just got to pull the tent down now and pack the trailer, and we'll be out of here. Alright, let's do it. we've finished packing up. Desperate need of a coffee, so I might go get a coffee and yeah, snack for the girl, and yeah, just maybe just chillax for a little bit, just enjoy some of the day. See you soon. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool.
Have a good one.
Thank you very much.
See ya.
See ya. Got our coffees. The kids got a chocolate milk. And if you're ever in the Eastern Bay of Plenty, Matata specifically, it's good coffee. Probably one of the best coffee I've had, actually. They are Drift Coffee on the main road heading through Matata, little yellow place. Yeah, very good. I got a mocha. Perfect. Yum. You good, Sage? Cool. You good, Judah? Yep. Quick stop for some hot chip sandwiches. Let's see if we can find a spot to send the drone out for a couple of sets. What do you say? A few chips in there. Squirt of the old tea sauce. Throw the lid on top. Done. You want a sandwich? Okay. Right, well, this is our last spot we're going to try, pick away, and going to fly the drone out, see if we can get another couple of fish before we head home. So we'll get all set up. Alrighty, so we've just parked up and found a spot and getting setting up, and went down to the beach, put the drone down on the little table, and somehow, whether it was the wind, it was a little bit windy, or one of the kids, it's actually knocked it off upside down. All the motors ended up in the sand, and now the motors don't spin, so I'm going to have to send it away to get it serviced or to get it looked at and blown out and cleaned. So unfortunately, that's got to be the end of the video. We were hoping to do a few more sets and get a few more fish, but hey, look, that's life. We're just going to have a bit of kid time, let them have a bit of a splash in the water before we go home. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and we will see you on the next one. See you later.